Nitin Gadkari's fall from grace ensued after a 12-hour drama which culminated in the party leadership taking the surprise decision of replacing him with Rajnath Singh. Headlines today, in fact, has decoded the timeline of the BJP's coup on Gadkari and the Sangh as well. We get to this report.
An over 12-hour drama which resulted in the fall of arguably the most powerful leader in the Bharatiya Janata Party. Nitin Gadkari made to bow down to the clamour from his own party and forced to withdraw from the presidential race. This is how the dramatic sequence of events unfolded on the 22nd of January. At 8 a.m., IT departments carried out raids at the shell companies of Purti, a company Gadkari had disassociated himself from after charges of graft and misappropriation of funds were levelled against him. Shortly afterwards, the BJP sprang in defence of its embattled president.
This is deliberate attempt by Congress to malign BJP. This is the Congress conspiracy. The President, there is no connection whatsoever with these companies of the President.
Then Nitin Gadkari shot himself in the foot once again, disturbing press releases claiming that his re-election was being sabotaged, indicating how confident the BJP President was till then of getting a second term. But his troubles continued to mount, with detractor Mahesh Jethmalani asserting his willingness to take on Gadkari in the presidential elections, even going on to claim that he was being denied nomination papers by the party. 3 hours later, Yashwant Sinha joined the fray, asking for nomination papers, and the BJP brass sensed a major embarrassment. Back-channel talks began within the party, with Rajnath Singh being asked to cancel all his appointments for the day and asked to stay put in Ghaziabad. At 5 p.m., arch-rivals Nitin Gadkari and LK Advani come face-to-face at a public function in Mumbai, and the tension between them is glaringly obvious. Insiders say Advani proposed Yashwant Sinha's name for the BJP president, while Gadkari insisted that if it is not him, it would only be Rajnath Singh at the helm. The BJP sensed the need for drastic measures and called an emergency meeting of the top brass in New Delhi at 8 p.m. An hour later, a consensus emerged amidst Arun Jaitley, Sushma Swaraj, Anant Kumar and Venkaiah Naidu on Rajnath Singh as the party's choice. A formal declaration made after Venkaiah Naidu proposing Rajnath's name.
शायद अभी मैं कंफर्म तो नहीं, लेकिन शायद गडकरी जी ने ही सुजेस्ट किया है नाम माननीय राजनाथ सिंह जी का. नितिन गडकरी जी ने अपने आप आगे बढ़ के उन्होंने इस्तीफा भी दिया.
Finally, the outgoing BJP president made a statement, declaring his withdrawal from the race for his successor.
सबसे पहली बात यह है कि मेरे ऊपर किसी प्रकार का आरोप आज तक साबित नहीं हुआ है, आगे साबित नहीं हो सकता. मैं पूरी तरह से निर्दोष हूं. राजनीतिक षड्यंत्र के रूप में जो आरोप हुए हैं, इसका निश्चित रूप से निर्णय हो जाएगा. दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी हो जाएगा, ये मेरा विश्वास है. जब जब झूठे बेबुनियाद आरोप मेरे ऊपर होते थे, उससे मैं लगातार अस्वस्थ रहता था. और जब मुझे लगा कि मेरे ऊपर ये आरोप लग रहे, इसके कारण न होते पार्टी की उसमें बदनामी हो रही है, तो मैंने ये तय किया कि सेकंड टर्म मैं नहीं लूंगा जब तक ये इसकी पूरी इंक्वायरी नहीं होती और इससे मैं निर्दोष करके सिद्ध नहीं होता, तब तक मुझे ये पद लेना नहीं है, या मैं इस पद पर नहीं आना चाहता हूं. इस प्रकार से मैंने अपनी भावना पार्टी के मेरे सहयोगियों को व्यक्त की और इसलिए सेकंड टर्म लेने से मैंने इनकार किया.
Bureau Report, Headlines Today.